It's an early bird catch the most worm, but me never catch no worm. Me get early, I'ma get through fast this morning at tax office. Anyways, guys, we leave Christian alone. Me buy one big bag of mango, you know, me sure no. Kuya, every time I come to Christian, we try to get little mango. Because they not have, why they not have the nice mango they have Mandeville? Me don't know why. Look at Jelani just like one so. With himself. When you look at me go zoom up how you eat mango. Hey, so guys, this is a mango you know. Kuya, me I tell Jelani so we should have care about go give you lady because I can't even eat one side.
I'm eating for you.
You ever eat it? A safi no magic, no look like magic. Oh God, could it be a line of tax office empty today? I wish there. No, I not tell no for no go and start come a Christian at tax office. I mean, I able to when I come a line them long. I not pan it.
That Thursday.
You chat too much of that to show. So here we are now, guys.
You think the yellow will get you early?
We end up come get registration. I say name registration for the car. Because you know say every year, or if you do it per 6 months, you know say every 6 months you up, or if you do it per year, you know say every year you have to get it, so you know say I saw fitness and insurance time. And one thing in a car, you have to spend money for a car, but you see having a car is very good because you don't have to take taxi, that's a one, you have your own convenience, that's a number 2, and number 3, you have privacy and you have comfort. So there's some of the main thing them why me that say, you know, yeah. And guys, don't wait for big car and hype car. Them the car they are kill, you don't know what it is. The markets, them and the other one, them I'll tell you that too far. Unlike if you don't know how much about car, you don't know, but you see the front end from them car, them soft. So you see as you're meeting an accident, Ross, whole like car front gone. Yeah, that's why I always see car them have been up and broken. You see like old car them like Nissan them and them car they. All them the car the Chang man, all them the car the Milo. I love them, I love them car. All the Tida, all this how we have now. Me love it. Me love the car. Me love the car because me just love she. But as it relates to like accident wise, if that will happen, God forbid it never go happen. But if that if it happen, like me scared. Me scared. More upgrade to something where me know say, you know, if any little thing at least we protect it and stuff like that. But anyways, we not dwell upon that. What else me did I go tell you? I don't remember. Oh, so guys, I did a video yesterday, but unfortunately the video is not saving to my thing. I don't know. I edited the videos, but they're not saving. Me I go try to delete some stuff today and try to save the video so I can upload it. Probably after or before this one, not sure.
I'm going to delete out all pictures and videos on my phone.
Then turn about not busy with your phone.
Like you are freeze full of memory.
Area. When you look at Jelani Sucky Mango Jai. Yeah, I tell you. Yeah, I tell you.
Stay tuned.
So anyways guys, what me never tell him say, we're gonna go to the house. We're gonna go to the shop shortly. So you can see if the tile them did stick. Like we gonna see if them did stick to go see if them did stick. Cause we don't know. We nervous. Yeah. That basically well, me don't remember what else me have to do today. But me did just 100% no say. Me send off all of my package up, so I have no package to send off. Right, me have no package to send off. And we got tax office and we did the 2 things that we did have to do. So we don't have that left to do. And the tiling where we start yesterday, as long as them all we have to go finish here. And if them the old gel and the same more mix a little thicker. That's what you say? Yeah. You say go mix a little thicker and try again. So we're gonna do that day. And yeah, wait till the baby them school over if you go feed them I don't know they little back around the way you do at daytime also. So me tempted to feed the mango because Jelani eat the mango. I never ready to feed him no mango yet, you know. Me did want to have them so when I'm ready to eat them, I can't eat them. But when I see my eat the mango now.
You know, so I have like 5 minutes.
Jesus Christ, wait, show them. Show them now.
It's not done yet.
Hold up your hand. Show them same way.
It's not done.
That they not done. That the past done. Come in and eat that so long.
Are you full?
That done Jelani.
You love him, mango.
Anyways guys, that's baby girl. And baby girls. Me say, me like the people them at tax office, you know, because it's when you go there and they see you with your belly and so, them help you out. You know, them not really make you stand up in the line long, but the security, when me go there first, you know, security see me, man security, so me fi come in and they help me out and me get through. The lady security see me with the belly, yeah, lady security go tell me, say me fi go stand up at the back of the line. The people them soon get through. So the man, one person in there, one guy, you think like a dog. When me a hold that the man go see the fat, I'm not idiot. When me a really a hold that for move when me thump you. Like that the Jelani look. Lily, ready. Wait. Can you suppose I think make it man. So guys, back to the future now.
Excuse me. I said excuse me.
How you come about, man? So guys, back to me that say no, yeah, with the tax officer and the security girl, like she never want to help me. And the man come and the man I like him and I whisper to her saying, we don't make pregnant ladies stand in the line for too long. If you remember say, they might carry, especially when the belly is showing. And the line is that long, you know.
And she's stupid, man.
And I told her and I said to her, all I'm doing is dropping off a paper. And when I drop off the paper, the lady say, it's alright, I can't go and she go and deal with it for me. Because they know what I want. Because I go there before and tell them what I want. So they know exactly what I want to do. So if I drop it off now, they would have just do the paperwork. And you know everything would have alright. And then when I did it now, same time through me in the line already, I just tell Jelani say, make we do the registration one time so we don't have to come back. And they would just do it one time.
That's what you want to do.
Eh? Yeah, drive go give him back.
Huh?
Yeah, too late. Can you start near me? Look there. Anyways, guys, it make me tempted. I want to eat my mango. So me I go eat my mango then. But guess what now? What me did I go say again? It turn off you. The mango turn you half. No, but I come near my mango them. In I'm that.
Why, Julie?
Yeah, I'm the Julie. Me don't like Julie mango. Guys, comment in the comment section what is your favorite mango. What your mango them name? Full shit.
You know
You
what
know
my
the
favorite
full
mango?
shit?
You know what my, of course, everybody know full shit.
Everybody don't know full shit.
You know what my favorite mango?
Wow.
Mango.
Jelani, that is not a type of mango. You have to choose
Yes,
a type of mango.
my favorite mango is mango.
You have to choose a type of mango. You can't say mango.
Blackie, Julie, East Indian, Sweetie come brush me, Millie, Beefy.
Alright, you have chat now. You're just a chat.
Alright, okay.
In just a chat, because I don't know what are the mango them. Anyways.
I bet any money say. People say yes, all of the mango, they're mango.
Yeah, them a mango, but you don't have all of them.
Me name all of them the mango. So
Lie.
I don't want to talk about mango.
You just have
Number
to-
11. How can I forget number 11?
First of all, this
How
are the
can I
best.
forget Robin? Oh
This
my
are the
lord.
best mango of all of
Julie.
them. This are East Indian best mango. And you see, Common mango is so underrated.
Come on, mango too. Then you have crusty mango.
Yeah, Common mango is so underrated. I mean like green skin nice.
And that name Blackie.
Green skin and blacky are two different
That's the
songs.
same time. That's the other man. That's the same man.
Blacky look more harder.
Blackie and green skin.
Probably a
are the
blacky you
same
call
thing.
crusty.
No, crusty
Green
come like
skin
come on
smooth
mango.
be.
No.
Yeah man, green skin smoother and the
It's
skin
the
so
same thing when
thin
you
when you
call
peel it
fine
sometimes the skin all
skin. It's the same when
like
you call fine skin.
nobody don't call
Thin
no mango
skin.
no fine skin.
That's clap my girl, me go about the place, yeah? I travel, I'm a traveler. And people call this thing fine skin, blackie, and what you call it green skin.
Alright, well, green skin is nice. This is East Indian. East Indian this?
No, that's rabbit.
Robin is my favorite mango right now. Ever since me pregnant, you saw me they just pregnant, me that crave the mango them. I don't know them the name, but I saw some big fat mango so.
Because them,
I have to cut them and eat them with salt. And I used to
Oh, that's the beefy.
You know name?
Beefy.
So me did that crave beefy, you know.
Hey, I mean, you love rabbit, you
Me
know?
always want beef it. No, me always like
You
them.
love
But
rabbit.
that's not where they
I
came.
mean, first make your name, I mean.
Yeah, well, why would the Ross say after me grew up down at, you think like a dog? Me grew up down there so where mango, you know my time to got people mango, chico teeth, mango ass.
We don't have a rabbit in them.
Me name them all the while, you can't tell me so me don't eat my usher. That boy a madman. Anyways guys, back to me. I say come now follow him up. Right? Me like that one year, me love them yeah. But when me did just bring that me that crave, the big fat one you have to eat with salt.
Treat, I tell you, eat a bit of salad. You want them in salad, them in green.
And then me love East India, me always eat them, but from the other day me couldn't find it in a Mandeville, so me just did get turned from it. And then now we come Christian and we end up finding them. So anytime me want mango, we drive come get them. Me not tell no lie. You see they are Christian and like the mango them like if you're pregnant and you want mango, go Christian and you can't get mango out there. You can't get mango. All June plum yesterday have out there and some. But I know all of them think that they are Mandeville sometime. June plum we then a Mandeville, you know, around a Mandeville school sometime or around a pigs.
Watch this stupid
June plum always one of them place there, but yeah. So anyways guys.
People them go link up on TikTok, you.
Eh?
They play TikTok match in the night.
They know some play a TikTok match, but them not come.
And then the forward.
Them not come. Them not come.
They not forward.
Them not come. That
They
man
not
say.
forward.
When I love them one they do. They want they as you bite them make it come off. Everything
They
just
not
go.
forward.
I like them they.
They really not forward.
Don't know. Anyways guys, later
they're
we
not
so forward. Jelani Guena man.
We have a forward.
Guys, Miss what?
Mango forward. We say we are forward. I'm telling you.
I want to you talk to your father. I want to headshot the puncher.
I don't know.
RG black them maybe.
I don't even get them.
Hey, you know what Chuck go through some things though? Chuck have to carry the heavy things them all over.
So I check alone go through things. They go through things.
Everything got your things. They too much fragrance.
No, nobody got you from me.
Police them. Police them come out, police them guns out. What a police and transport.
Car shot pass it.
Whee! We'll put on the red sticker because when they see blue sticker they will tap we know.
Yeah.
Because you know how it go. They don't really like seeing blue sticker when I time for red sticker. So yeah guys, big up on yourself, we soon come back. We almost reaching now. But probably that is going to be in another vlog. Right now me tired for today as I chat so long. I so come.